Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can watch YouTube shorts on your laptop or your PC. This will work on both Mac, this will work on both PC. Doesn't matter what PC you're using, it'll work. So just open up any web browser, then you want to go to youtube.com. It doesn't really matter if you're signed in or not, so you can choose to sign in or stay out of your account. But just come to the left hand menu. If it's not showing, click this little 3 horizontal stripes on the left hand side, and then you can see underneath the explore page it says shorts. So if I click on shorts, that's going to take me to the shorts player. So you can see it looks like the shorts on your phone, and you can go, and the only thing you can't do if you're logged out is like them and dislike them and comment. But you can now browse through all the different shorts and watch them. And if you want to, for an example, search for a specific short, you can type things like chocolate cake recipe, and then you can put hashtag shorts into the search bar, and it should show you some shorts related to your search query that you put in there. So those are the two different ways that you can watch YouTube shorts on your laptop or your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.